To measure the area of a region of interest, click the Freehand measurement button in the Show Measurements submenu, accessible from the toolbar, or by right-clicking on the image. Then, click and hold down the left mouse button to draw a closed line around the region of interest. Release the mouse to finalize the measurement. The area of interest will be displayed in square centimeters. Additionally, for CT images, the mean and standard deviation of the intensity values are also shown and expressed in Hounsfield units. If needed, drag the label to reposition it. To adjust the measurement, click on it and drag one of its vertices. To move the measurement, drag it to a new position. To remove the measurement, click on it and press the Cancel key. Alternatively, click the Remove Measurements button in the Show Measurements submenu to delete all unsaved measurements from the current image series. Unsaved measurements remain available only for the duration of the session.